Well, welcome again, and hopefully you had a chance to look at my introductory video and look at the syllabus, and you can kind of see the way this course is headed. I'm going to start to populate Blackboard with the assignments you see in the course syllabus, but the course outline that you see in the course syllabus is kind of your guide, and you can follow this. And for each one of the assignments, I'll start to populate Canvas with, or not, I'm sorry, not Canvas, but Blackboard. Sorry, I teach at multiple institutes, and one of my institutes that I teach at uses Canvas. So if I sometimes say Canvas, I'm meaning Blackboard. But this will be on Blackboard. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to kind of divert from Blackboard, although I'll show you some things in Blackboard, and I'm going to talk to you about installing the code that you need to be able to develop programs in Alice. This is called an interactive development environment, and there's a lot of different flavors of this for each of the programming languages we have. What this interactive development environment does is it lets you write programs that you can port to different environments, like say from PC to Mac, or from PC to like a mobility type environment, or or you can run it on a tablet, or whatever type of device you have. So that's what the interactive development environment does. So what we're going to do today, this short video is going to give you kind of an information on how to be able to run Alice. So I'm going to pause it for a little bit, and what we're going to do is I'm going to switch over and show you some things. Okay, now if you purchased your textbook, what will happen is that you will get inside the textbook, especially if you buy it new. If you buy it used, you may not see this, but if you buy it new, you should have received a CD disc with some code, and basically what the disc has is the code to run, to actually have the code for Alice. What you see in front of you is I'm looking at my DVD CD drive, and you notice that basically Alice is available for Mac and PC. If you kind of click that, you're going to see two executable files. One is Alice, and one is Slow and Ready Alice. I suggest you use the Alice. When you click on that, it's an executive drive, or an executable program, which will help you download that to your system. And basically what I suggest you do is you port this information to your computer's hard drive, and that it runs from your hard drive, because if you pull it from, say, a thumb drive or from a disk and you run it from there, it's going to be slower. So I suggest you take these files and copy them over to your hard drive, or somehow when they want to, if they want to move those files over to what drive you want to put it on your hard drive on your PC. I'm going to do another pause, and I'm going to switch over to another. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm showing you Blackboard, and you can see that's CCAC's Blackboard. And we're under course documents, which is over here to the side. And if you got to this somehow, you kind of saw that I actually had a video that I put together about introducing our class and the syllabus. This is where the information on installing Alice is, and I'll probably end up placing this video here. What this course document will also show you is to either go to the Alice environment, or go into the CD that you have and be able to install Alice, and or to go to the Alice website. I'm going to pause. All right, now what you see here now is, and I have a link to that on our in the course document page, is www.alice.org, and it's Get Alice and Alice 2. Okay, and as you can see, you can see your various downloads you have, and you have that capability. If you have Windows, Macs, or if you are running Linux, it's there too. Okay. And if you notice, there's a lot of other things on Alice here where you have some resources here where you have some you have some lessons that you can learn on Alice 2 and some exercises. And I'm probably going to be posting a lot of these things from the Alice website. But for now, what you're going to want to do is under Get Alice, you're going to have to go and get Alice 2. And this is the area where you can download the code. Okay, so, and they got some useful links about installing Alice and frequently asked questions and things like that. I'm going to pause again. Okay, now you notice that this is the hard drive on this is actually my documents folders on my PC, and I actually have gone in and I have installed Alice, or actually moved the code over to my hard drive. Once you install it, it actually brings down the required files, and you just step through just like a general file. But if you look there, again, just like on your DV, on your CD drive, you actually have the exec to be able to run Alice. So what you do is you click on that. And basically, once you click on that, you'll see the Alice environment where you can start to do your programmings, download some videos, some worlds that basically, and you can start to go through the exercises in the book. Okay, so I'm going to pause the recording. I'm going to bring up Alice, and I'm just going to show you what it kind of looks like on my PC. Okay, so finally, once you click on that Alice exec or that executable file, and it does, you'll come into the Alice. This is the interactive development environment, and there's going to be a lot of things in your book that tells you how to use this interactive development environment. But this is what it looks like, and you can start to go through the chapter exercises, and I'll give you some assignments on that for developing that. So once you get installed, you're ready to start to work on your programs, and I'll be giving you a little bit more information on how to do these programs. So for now, what you need to do, first of all, read your syllabus. Second of all is get the book, and third, get the programming code, the interactive development environment code, and start to go through the book exercises. Okay, so thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next video.